So on the 4th of July, the Tibetan community in Britain has prepared a special event to celebrate His Holiness's 80th birthday. We are hoping for many people to come, and there will be lots of dancing and special food to celebrate his birthday. So book your tickets quickly.
I just wanted to give a shout out that on the 4th of July there's going to be a massive celebration for His Holiness's birthday. There's going to be dancing and a lot of delicious food, and the monks are going to be doing a special dance just for us. It's going to be really fun, and I hope you guys book your tickets as soon as possible because you're going to enjoy your time and it's going to be really awesome.
Come and celebrate His Holiness the Dalai Lama's special 80th birthday on the 4th of July. Book your tickets at www.tibetancommunityuk.net.